Good morning, dear students. Form 2. We are going to talk about the diet conception and development in the womb. As we started this topic a week ago, we are continuing with the same chapter. Let's start it. People with imbalanced diet has some kind of problems. For example, the males, as we learned the reproductive system with you, the production of the males, if they have imbalanced diet, they may reduce. Also, from the females, the imbalanced diet will affect even worse. As the results, you can see the reduce of the production of the egg cells, and the fetus gonna develop so slow, and the size of the newborn babies gonna be small, which are abnormal, of course. And some kind of drinks like coffee, chocolate, and tea must be consumed in a small amount during the pregnancy, of course, because they may lead to the slow growth, slow development of the fetus. That's kind of problems the people with the imbalanced diet may face. You can see some kind of diseases. This one is called as marasmus, and it's a condition of mostly shown on the babies who are 1 year old. The main point which there has lack of protein and energy stores in their body that are found in their fat, in their muscles. They're gonna be disappearing, they're gonna be used by the body, and you can see that their muscles wasting away, their their muscles just become so small, even the bones can be seen from the picture. And if this kind of diseases are not treated on time, of course it may be fatal for that babies. Here you can see kwashiorkor disease, also about imbalanced diet, which develops children which are a little bit older than 18 months. Here you can see that mother feeds this baby by breast milk, but the main point, when she will have a second baby, the first child is gonna be starch is found the most in potato, but some kind of foods like yam and cassava, which have less protein amount in their structure, and by those poor development of the muscles and the swelling of the part of the body, you can see below the chest happens in the first child, because they will lack of those protein they were getting from that their mother's breast milk. Here another disease of the food is called as obesity. Many countries have these problems with the children, with the adults. It's a condition when the people having too much energy diet, and those, for example, made up of lots of sweets, some kind of chocolates when you are eating too much chocolate, or crepes, pizzas, or foods with high carbohydrate and fat containing foods. The main point is the energy is used, but if it's too much, it's gonna be stored in the body as fat, and of course it will increase the body mass. It will make the person tend to move around less than normal. It will affect all of the lifestyle of that kind of persons. And now to talk about the behavior, how behavior affects to that people who are having lack of food, to that people who are having too high energy consumption food, and so on. People who are lack, first let's talk about them. People who lack of food may feel tired because they don't get enough energy, and with little energy they can't move too much. People who suffer from obesity also have some kind of problems like low self-confidence. Sometimes they feel depressed and be unable to sleep well. And here you can see the behavior can also affect particular substances that are eaten. Mostly it causes in the childhood condition called hyperactivity. You can see hyperactivity, you know that the children are which are too active and are not getting tired so easy. They have condition called hyperactivity, and as the scientists say, it's getting from the food, taking drinks which contain certain additives, and by that additives some kind of children may get condition called hyperactivity. Okay guys, today's topic we are finishing with this part. Now you have some kind of tasks. Please do them, try your best. Good luck.